Hello everyone and welcome back to my food channel Aasan Pakwan. Today I'm going to share a recipe of a dessert that is called Shahi Tukray. So without any further delay, let's start. To make our dessert Shahi Tukray, note down the ingredients. Here I'm using white bread. So if you wish to, you can use brown bread. With that goes in the plain milk and condensed milk. So I'm going to use sweetened condensed milk so that we don't have to use extra sugar. For frying the bread, I'm going to use ghee, and for garnishing, almonds will be used along with the green cardamom. Some yellow food coloring will be used and some cream. Next, let's move to the frying part now. Here I have taken a cast iron pan to which I am going to add some ghee. Now on a medium to low heat, I am going to let the ghee melt in the pan and spread it evenly. Once the ghee is hot enough, I will start adding the bread slices to it in order to fry them. Now the ideal shape for the Shahi Tukras is that you cut the bread in triangular shape. At this point, make sure that you don't overcrowd your pan, otherwise the bread will not get that golden brown color. Now start frying the bread in the pan and flip it over once it is golden brown from the bottom side. And one by one start flipping all the pieces and fry them from both sides until they are golden brown. You can fry them in small batches and take them out once they are golden brown. Now let's move to the next part of making the milk mixture. So in a pan, take some milk and bring it to a boil. Once you have added the required quantity of milk to the pan, let it heat in the pan for a little while and add some green cardamom to it. At this point, you can also add cardamom powder if you wish to, but here I'm using whole cardamom. Now let the cardamom cook with the milk for some time, and meanwhile keep on stirring with the help of a spoon, otherwise the chances are that the milk will stick to the bottom of the pan, and we don't really want that with our Shahi Tukra. So keep on stirring from time to time and cook it for at least 10 to 15 minutes or till the milk starts to get thickened, and you can cover it with a lid. So this will make the process faster. And as you can see that the milk has been cooking for at least 15 minutes and it has started to thicken, and at least 1/3 of it has evaporated already. At this point, I'm going to add some yellow food color to the milk, and you can add more if you wish to, but at this point I think this looks fine. So give it a stir. And now I'm going to add sweetened condensed milk, and this is going to give our dish a really rich flavor. And as I have mentioned before, that this is sweetened condensed milk, and there is no need to add extra sugar to the dish. Now give it a good mix and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes or till the milk starts to get thickened. Now let it cook for a little more time and keep on stirring it to avoid the milk getting stuck to the pan. Once the milk is thick enough, I will add the fried bread slices to it and just dip it in the milk mixture and take those out. So I'm going to repeat the process with all the pieces of fried bread. Just dip them in the milk mixture and take them out in a plate. So start arranging the bread slices in the dish in which you are going to serve your Shahi Tukray. So once you have dipped all the pieces of bread in the milk mixture, just arrange them in the dish in which they will be served. So for the remaining milk mixture, add some cream to it. And give it a good stir, and as you can see that it will thicken even more. Now keep on stirring it until it evaporates a little bit more. Now transfer the milk mixture on top of the bread slices. And now your Shahi Tukray dish, the dessert, is ready to be served. You can put it in the refrigerator for some time, like let's say 2 hours or so, and then serve them chilled as well.
So viewers, if you have liked today's recipe, so like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can see the upcoming videos.